guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Ducati 959 Panigale. So this one is a 2017 and it's done 6,134 miles from new. So absolutely gorgeous bike, see, such an aggressive looking front end. It's got the yellow exhaust on this one, it's got a tail tidy, it's got the single seat on there as well. It's got an exhaust hanger, radiator guards, and it's also got these nice billet caps there on the reservoir. So on these, you do get engine brake control, you get a Quickshifter, you get traction control, you get ABS, and of course you can adjust all those things as well. So loads and loads of tech, and they're just an unreal bike. So if you do fancy this one, give us a call, or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.